This 2024 Forest River Sabre 37 FLL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in San Angelo, Texas, 76905 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Angelo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a MIMOSA maple interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front entertainment, front living area, loft, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.